story that we are tracking here on Times Now, and this time we're going to tell you about a very pressing and important issue which people are talking about, and this is the Aravalis, and there is a chorus that we've been hearing. Now, viewers, the Aravali Hills, which is one of the world's oldest mountain range, has been trending on social media. You must have seen a hashtag known as the Save Aravali movement that has captured the imagination of the public, and that has also triggered a lot of outrage. Why? Because the Supreme Court in November, that is on the 20th, had given out a ruling. What did this ruling say? It said that the court then adopted the Environment Ministry's criterion that only hills that are rising 100 meters or above within the 500 meters range will be officially recognized as part of the Aravali range. What does this mean? The court then said that it has banned the grant of fresh mining leases in areas which are spanning in Delhi, in Haryana, in Rajasthan and in Gujarat until expert reports are also completed. However, there are environmentalists who have warned that the new ruling could leave nearly 60% of the ancient range open to mining. And now we have a statement from the Environment Minister on the entire issue that is snowballing. Let's take you through the statement of the Environment Minister, which is Bhupendra Yadav has spoken on the Save Aravali protest. The first statement came in during the IEC conclave of the Times Network, and now he says, and I quote, "Stop spreading misinformation. In the total area of 1.44 lakh square kilometers of the Aravalis, mining eligibility can only be in 0.19% of the entire area." Once again, the government is putting some facts on the table amid the outrage and the protest. So the Environment Minister says the total area, which is 1.44 lakh square kilometers of the Aravalis, the mining eligibility area is only 0.19% of the entire range, and the rest of the Aravali is preserved and it is protected. Here's the latest statement from Bhupendra Yadav.
कोई भी रिलैक्सेशन नहीं दिया गया। पहली बात, अरावली भारत के 4 राज्यों में है, दिल्ली, राजस्थान, हरियाणा और गुजरात। टोटल अरावली 39 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में है। अरावली की पिटीशन 1985 से चल रही है। इस पिटीशन में चलने के बाद अरावली में माइनिंग के स्ट्रिक्ट नियम होने चाहिए, इसके हम भी पूरी तरीके से समर्थन करते हैं। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने चारों राज्यों को कहा कि अरावली की सेम डेफिनेशन होनी चाहिए। सेम डेफिनेशन में 100 मीटर को, जो कि 1968 का जो जियोलॉजी का स्टडी है रिचर्ड मॉर्फी, उसके कारण है। कुछ यूट्यूब चैनल ने और कुछ लोगों ने एक कंफ्यूजन खड़ा कर दिया कि 100 मीटर का अर्थ होगा टॉप के 100 मीटर। ऐसा नहीं है। उसका जो बेस स्ट्रक्चर है, जो पर्वत का बेस स्ट्रक्चर है, अगर वो जमीन के अंदर भी 20 मीटर है, वहां से लेके 100 मीटर तक प्रोटेक्शन है। तो जो 100 मीटर का प्रोटेक्शन है, जो लोगों ने कंफ्यूजन करा है कि मतलब ऊपर का 100 मीटर है, नीचे खुदाई कर सकेंगे, वो नहीं है। मैं आपको फिर क्लियर कर रहा हूं। 100 मीटर का अर्थ है टॉप 100 मीटर से बॉटम के अंदर तक जो उसका पूरा फैलाव है। पहाड़ी तो ऐसे होती है, तो उसका बॉटम तो बड़ा होता है, जहां तक उसका बॉटम जाएगा वहां।
So the Environment Minister is laying facts on the table, but the showdown continues. We are going to keep our focus on that story. Time now for us to take a short break.